anytime you're messing around with a wiring harness, whether you're taking the factory coating off or someone's electrical tape, you'll notice it just gets nice and sticky. I drop my paper towel. And this crap will just stick to it. And then once you deal with it, once you touch it, now you get it all over your hands. Well, a little while ago, I came up with an idea of actually taking the wiring harnesses, once I get them apart and get all the crap off of them so I can handle them, I actually wrap them in saran wrap. You can see that I can get to every wire. I can see every wire in it. If I need to, I can just rip it open, throw another piece of saran wrap back over top of it. But now I can handle it, touch it, go through it, and not have to get my hands filthy. So, idea may not work for everybody, but I like it. Works for me.